TB Joshua, you are dead. After killing thousands of our people, after destroying the life of thousands of our youth who are sick, after killing them with what you call the so-called healing water and oil you are selling to the sick people in our land, why the people that brought the Christianity religion you claim to represent in Nigeria are busy building one of the best hospitals for their animal? Why the Pope of Italy, that more than 500 million people is under him and his church, have never for a day claimed to prophesy to anybody or to sell anything, oil or water, to any sick person? TB Joshua, wherever you are now, you are going to suffer, because you have destroyed a lot of souls. I am a living witness. I know how many people from our land who are suffering from kidney failure, who are suffering from liver failure, who are suffering from cancer, whom came to your satanic church. You sold water to them, you sold oil to them, they lodged in your hotel, your business hotel you built to be scamming our people. And you black people who don't want to wake up, keep killing yourself, keep dying under Nigeria pastors and bishops who claim to cure sickness with the name of Jesus and prayer, which no country in the whole Western world has ever done that to their citizens. It's only in Nigeria where there is no electricity. People that are in a good position to fight for you so that your government will give you a standard quality hospital like the Europe that brought religion to you, they are busy selling olive oil that is being used to cook rice in overseas to you, and you are drinking, dying. I have been crying aloud for over 3 years now that my eyes opened. Provide any crippled person in your community that TB Joshua, including your pastor and your reverend father and your bishop, have prayed for, and the person started walking again in your community, that he knows their compound very well. Give me the evidence, then I will give you 1 million naira with one plot of land. Provide any evidence of a blind person in your village, in the street where you are living, in the house where you are living, someone who is blind, and your pastor, your bishop, TB Joshua, prayed for that person. The person regained his or her sight again. These people I'm calling, these people are first-class citizens. The blind and the crippled are the first-class citizens in Europe and the United States of America. The disabled ones are first-class citizens. But Nigeria pastors and bishops are making mockery of them in Africa, in Nigeria. Displaying all this thing on television that a crippled person has started walking again. A blind has regained his or her sight again. And the black man I am trying to liberate from these occultic people. Let me just tell you the truth. Your brother that has a kidney failure, I hope you went there, you took him to TB Joshua, and you bought olive oil and water and spent days in the hotel there. Didn't your brother die after you don't have money for the kidney transplant? Your mother, your father, your siblings, your son, your daughter that has cancer, kidney failure or liver failure, you took to TB Joshua. You bought the oil and the water. Did the person not die? Let me just tell you this. If you have a kidney failure and you don't have money for kidney transplant, my brother, you are gone. Once you stop dialysis, you are a dead person. If you have cancer and the cancer has not become malignant, if you have a cancer that can be treated, and you don't have up to 5 million naira to pursue the cancer, my brother, forget your life. You may waste like 1 million, 2 million, you will still die. Because once you stop chemotherapy, it will continue to spread. But once the cancer became malignant or cancer in the blood, it is untreatable. You are gone. These are things that are deceiving you with religion. That your neighbor in the village is killing you. Your papa in the village is killing you. And that is why religion have bring division in our land. Why the white people who brought the religion keep on moving with love. Because they know the truth. Now, mention one healing you have received from TB Joshua Church. Healing of cancer. Healing of tumor. Healing of kidney failure. Healing of fibroid. I pity you as a woman. You have fibroid. Your message is flowing anytime you want to see. Shops in Nigeria have killed thousands of our people. If you come to our office, we have thousands of their church members with a hole in the heart, with cancer sickness, with kidney failure, kidney disease, liver disease, tumor, that need urgent medical assistance. That if they bring these people out before the congregation, so many people will donate money on these people's behalf, and they will send them to hospital. Here in India, our big men are abusing, hiring your pastors' private jet, bringing their sons and daughters to the big hospital here in India. Why the people that contributed the money are dying because of malaria? People that contributed the money to buy those jets are dying because of malaria, typhoid, common sickness, because they don't have money to obtain card in the hospital. TB Joshua, wherever you are, your soul will continue to suffer because you killed a lot of people. Shame to you. Look at them. They are deceiving you everywhere. The same the other pastor, what is his name? The one that his son died. One of his members came to say that he uses their church hanky to wake his people, a woman that gave birth to twins. The woman died, and he placed the hanky on top of the woman. The woman came back from life. Now the pastor's son died. He didn't use the hanky to wake him up. Now the day they will bury TB Joshua, Oduheje will go the burial. Oduheje will not go now to wake him up from death. No miracle, no pastors in Nigeria can do miracle now to wake TB Joshua. You will see them, they will be commenting here, death is for everyone. That you know that death is for everyone, but you are shouting, disturbing people in the street of Nigeria. Every spirit of death, Holy Ghost fire. Every spirit of death, die by fire. Yeah. Moronic morons that don't want to reason, that I'm saving every day. Look at how many oppressions we are doing upon the life of our people in daily basis. Look at how many lives we are saving every day in our land. And it's not enough to teach you a lesson. That sickness without medication is zero. You will die and you will be forgotten. Say, if Jesus cured sickness, do you think that the Europeans will build hospital for themselves? Why? He came from Europe, from Israel. But Israel has one of the best hospitals on this planet Earth. Black men are dying because of religion. Shame to you, TB Joshua. Shame to you, all fake pastors in Nigeria. Go to hell, all of you. Look at this one that claimed to wake somebody from death. Very soon he will as well kick the bucket. Now, all of them will be dying one by one if they don't want to repent. Because they have destroyed the thinking faculty of a black man. Because blacks are waiting for a miracle. Without knowing that the reason why you are a human being is to create a miracle. At least if God asks you as a black man, what have you done to improve this world? What will you answer? You will tell God that you are praying. The white man made this Facebook. You are watching me now. A white man made the phone you are using. A white man made the car you are driving that assists you to do things very quick. A white man made the aeroplane that flies you from Africa to Europe to America. What have you done to help humanity, to improve this world? You are searching for devil. There is devil in your family. TB Joshua is seeing vision. There is a bed at your door. The bed is coming and it's God, those things is fraud. 419. Once you are sick, you don't go to hospital to receive your medical attention. You will die.
Seba nsɛnkyerɛne deɛ anakyɛ sɛ nkɔyɛ bebree paa amanfoɔ nyinaa ne wiase nyinaa nim no ɔmo gye ne tu mu sɛ ampa ɔyɛ odiifoɔ a kyɛ sɛ ofiri nyame hɔ a kyɛ sɛ dan de nyinaa no deɛ ɔmbɛkyerɛ m biara kyɛ sɛ ɔmbɛyɛ amana tumi aboro so koraa ama wiase nyinaa ɛtɔ din ya pa TB Joshua asɛm na mekan ofiri wiase nyinaa atamdi na wiase nyinaa di awerɛhoɔ di abobo bebree na kasa ho bebree na nso ɛwra ho ɔmo nsɛm ɔmo ka nyinaa no ebi ɛwra ho bebree bra kyɛ sɛ wotumu sɛ ɛyara wo sɛm abusua su na kyɛ sɛ abusua ɛnso no ɛgo yam ɛma ɛno kra nam so ɛma yɛ papa ɛyɛ bishop obinim ɔno kra de condolences message ɛde kɔma no TB Joshua emo zampa say no be ni want brofo papa to me say condolence message no the command ni more down more fe nti ro de uti ya kaza wo zampa why otumi abodwuma condolence no message ni de na clear just say we be ani age na ebe me say ensem a efa ya TB Joshua abro wu ye de just say edoso ye bebre kwa ade just say age no me na papa e ma attention TV kwa bebre be so ebi ni say utumi say ibra kra be kan wonsem so na ye kase obi a je so wasom nyame dia na TB Joshua de wo se won routine kura so won no som nyame da so woni tua ensam no kire mutumi gi bebra afi David o hene ba David so be kan say oh say TB Joshua wu a guy wo na fine ani age say wo no wu ezan so emre bi betwa mu age so no kro bo wu ana say TB Joshua bo wu pa e man panifu age so mtiti aman so enti ono wu a eye na wo san eye o hene ba san to aso say hwe wenye obi a wo nko ankrofo mienu bi a we san be eyo bempa wusu bempa e wa po wusu bempa ya bebere kra friends the MPP prophet MPP prophet no wusu bempa se wono ebeto aso na afi so Duncan Williams wono so be o san de to so se de o kan CD arise CD so wono so ebeko na we in some way there no ye nketro na so we ye tam from the original state nje from Nigeria na nkasa ehon so nsem bi etumi pie wona to se utumi se abranti bi atumi abekasa ehon nsem pa abranti bi abomodin abekyerekere nsem a efa TB Joshua ma nsem pa otumi ne nkire mu no kire se TB Joshua de ba bi o sesi ya na wono wo na Facebook kasa no wo se wo bre yi pa ba bi o hye sesi ya no wono kura de wo de a cheo pass atunyame nim se opaden ne kura ma ne tumi ko 5 in 1 minute kura one sanje na de no san fa ne kwose bebi e ho ye hye mo esan se ne nsam kire metumi se emu hye papa na yes branch wa no se Twene Jonas Ghana Twene Jonas no wono de wose wono wan kasa empanifo na emu masofo a chese utumi se wono se omoya azane de wono de wa ye ne krado se obepa omo nyina atro chese wobekasa ti omo saa mo nyina atumi o zampa wose omo nyina omo tumi clear mani mu etumi clear mode wose activated chese woni so Ghana na se aman Africa ni tumi da ho na papa yensem nchire mu a wo chire mu ne se TB Joshua yo bi a chese wotumi abu nkrofo papa wa ya nkrofo bukata ya basi ye bunkrofo kum krakra ne tese wotumi se wabomode bubu om kum krakra tese dos papa wose oyila TB Joshua tumi ato aman krofo asase wesu no ebetumi asidan be over millions of dying ebetumi asidan ma enkrofo atena mu ama enkrofo mu abewo enkrofo akiri ma abewo na tese mbetumi awa tese mbewo saa ma generation bebere betumi apie free mu na so TB Joshua tumi agisika potin nyina wo monsem a wamfa nya hwe ama oman no apa ye kire mu se adifu aba o Nigeria ne de ye kase omo ye enkrofo azan edoso TB Joshua waka no se waton oil ache ama nkrofo papa na ne nsem che wose wono ankasa wogina no living witness anaso wo obi a odi hu adanse pa wose wono ase nye se obi se na che se wotumi se ade na wo kan wasem na ya ade a che se ato ne da wo TB Joshua nchen wo chene nsem se ye kase nkrofo anya anaso mo atom anaso mo asore afi wheelchair mu ama che se mo nya mo nsa anaso mo nai tumi asan be gina mo nan so de a ana che se wo kire mu se TB Joshua boa TB Joshua boa papa se nsenkyerene a wo ye na yade ye kroje efiri nyame wo se wo boa wo se wone nkrofo ye hye pa se me pese wo ye tizo bia wo ye bubu ani nche se wo TV chi emu a che se waba ma sore te se me bom pa me deliverance se ma sawo yare a che se wa sore wo se TB Joshua ye kan nkrofo mo ya za TB Joshua ye ntumi nkonja enyi yi kura wo se enyi yi se mo kasa mo beyi sa nkrofo mo beyi azanfo agina nchen na se mo mfa TB Joshua encounter ene mamo nkase asofo na omo ya azan na mo yi omo si nchen omo ya azan TB Joshua the prophet no de wo so wo ya azan papa chese ne nsem no ya de ya botesem wo kire nsem se Africans emra so se wo se ni da ho Africa ni be sori anopa kwotena aya sori fie Monday to Sunday wanya dwuma no wo hwe miracle anim wasi ensenkyerene kase a wasi ye nyina hwe anim ne se wode wonsa ne wadwen na da wotirim na adwen no adwen na da tirim no wasi Africa fo de bibi ema etumu se ampa miracle no eno na aba no esan se abrofo ye hu no se omo ye enioma Facebook wasi Facebook ya me gina so kasa ma okura woti eye obroni na ye ensenkyerene baako na se wose daachi bia se yokodira nyame anim na Africa obibini ba ye den wo aye wiase ye biza se obibini wose president my lord wose den na obe wiase na wogina wo hwe nanim to saa obiza se na aden kura na bo ba asase so wose miracle no and this yetena se ne hwe ne saa Ezan say before ye sabi happen miracles achen adwuma ye de yensa be ye enne a me meti ya me kasa ya me pam ye wa yi obi ti asori fi aje so no de wo bom pa ye wo brom pa ye fiti anopa kosi anadwo ebedu anadwo na chese hwe entumi mfiri mu ma wo say before mra so say wo say enutumi da ho say abo wo esan say eye asofu bebre ya abai bebre na azana no de sika wo say wono de wo gina ho no wo si people say what didn't say born bo say so will be anaso obi anya resa afri TB Joshua e wo say kurase baby a wo se bia wo se onipa no mfa ne mra na afi no mra no mra ntika kura be ma no 1 million naira be ma no free just o kire se enya dia e da wo say TB Joshua asa obi yare da nsuo na abura munsuo a eku eton bi organa no uko TB Joshua so no so ton abura munsuo saa je se wo ton a je se wo de enkrofo bukata na oye no mo saa enioma no wo se TB Joshua o ya de wo jimu tintim man pa enti ono de se wo ye prophet pa so wo ye correct prophet de akwa ne kasa mu kire se wono de ebimpon si da se TB Joshua a good prophet and I say real prophet was in near my way in Ayasa papa esan say enam onkrofo and I say enam ne so amankofo brewu ne nsam nche mo say enam ono so ama o man Nigeria no asay wo kire mu say anya obekọ ne aka kire so o ma bi na ye o papa bi na ye wo zo ko fia wo ni akoma Africa no akọtwe dade na je say enye se kanya bura enye wo nana na wote wo na wodi be 100 years no es woni bra wo de ko so ene so no akọ kire mu say when you pay a friend say TB Joshua as a prophet TB Joshua what's what ya zamba papa just wotumi ade or how abre and I watch them cry say wo ko Italy and na sefo a won a ya sofo na say priest and won a pope no mu nyina no wo mutumi si hospitals okwe Romans for say Roman for to see hospitals and nyoma betumi aboa church members na so TB Joshua pa de okona sore se wo si hospital e de aboa ankrofo se omu entumi nko na empo omu ntumi nko nya yare sa yade a chese wontumi anye bi kura ema o man Nigeria na wo owie no wan fancy wo san to aso se obi se obi ti se Adeboye yi Adeboye wono so sa wo so kona sore na wo hanki kura tumi sore nipa tumi nya nipa na ankrofo di wa dance na me babi nko me na bi nko na so hanki am kita me de to ne so apages wo nya aresa na wo se sa ene ne ba no wu ye no se ne ba bi wu na nsen ya wo se hanki ni tumi nya ne nipa de a ene nka wo so de to ne so aje so ono so etumi esori efiri awufuo mu o se sa nkrofo na se difo ebire na aba no wo ye ma Nigeria fo ma so nte se chuku na chuku imba no mo ya se ya ma mo nte se si ye ka se mo pe ye nsenkyerene a enya dia Nigeria for so fu bebrebe no omo ya dia omo tumi ye nsenkyerene entu yare a na so hospital na so bonye ska dia je se wana be wo so yare na hospital na doctor ka kire wo se bra ba bi aduri wo ska bi afabra na ye nya kidney transplant e ma na se bi e fa wa pomde ho nsam ye ntumi nye ne yi ma na so wonya sa ska na so wo de kosofo na se chese wa bom pa ya ma na chese wo tumi yare sa dia wo boa papa ne nsam che mo se TB Joshua members kro bebre din wo ya molest so a kire so ma chese wo manya funra bebe fun bebre aba ho no ma so tumi se yare na akuom TB Joshua tumi se are ya ade no wotere ma ne members nyina bebre na tumi wu eno na wo so wonte ase kura se nkrofo su no se na TB Joshua wo kwa nantiye woni ye Abraham enkotena mbom nkomo pa mundi dwana chese muntumi ka niema ekoso wo heaven ne ye ba beto ma wo se munja ka munja sa niema na mo ka ne ka ne mo mo nka se ba bia wo kɔ no wonko bre no wombre yie eno na wo se Nigeria wo se ye nka nkyerem na mo nka nkyere TB Joshua se wono de si wo be ka se TB Joshua ba bia na nantiye de wo nka bi da Nemo was ne se wombre ye papa esan se de waye yutu ene nkrofo wo Nigeria na yade ye wrem wo bunkrofo sika botin a waji on oye kra yan ton kra nya 5000 naira ne je zo ko je baako anya se wodwuma pese yi anya se pese nioma bi e fa wo yi akoyi nsam kam de wotumi se ne nsam kana ya de a chese emu ya wura me de yentumi mu atan da bi nti ye tensam na so ne de be somo da bi yentumi nka se ebia si ana se ye mu atan wa da bi ye tensam na se nsam no emu ya wura ma ye de ba be somo se de ka kire won se nsam epi wo science mu nyina no dan de nyina mfa nka me da ye de be somo se de se ne fata enti akwa we nsam wo kan de ya de a chese ni ye nyan papa ye de somo se de wankasa wotumi se video ya ba be twagu wo betumi se ate no hu se ampa nioma bi wona chese wo kan ebi wana ewum science Africans bebre na de omani atumi asio masofo so too much wo obi sori so wantene sofo nka kura anje so wontumi na eto da bi kura etumi bu asofo ne kura chen ye kunu ene ye yerem kura ne omote ya de yawo ya de a chese otumi se ya bote sem papa enti nsem a akoye kan ebi wa ewum na enso se TV Joshua de oye ne de eno de yuntumi nkyere eno de enye ye ne bi bu aten na enso ne se ne nsem no kan ye no ene de abesom a wotumi se ampa yenti mu nsem na wo chese wotumi e kan ye no ne yenwe se sen na ekọ ne sen na efa yemfa bi ntu yonkotodwum na afesu yentumi emfa bi emobra ne hu se ampa wiase ye wo no banye ba bia na se ba bia na chese obi abe kan ho sempa na fa nsem yu de se ya na betumi e de gya no hu sampa se nsem bi wona se enkoyi a ye be kana fa onipa nyina atumi ate na nsem wo ni amede be som e wo ya Attention TV bo modern subscribe na share na obi antumi enya bi enhwe na afi number se twagu wo screen ase no abre bia kasa otumi se numbers bi etwagu enya se bia ne fenti na de to ayefemum na emum ne yesra wo se obefre na afi so ni yetumi edidwa na ne nyina akoyi ama wo se de se na efata be dia amage so e Frank Kwaku Asante me da se woje bre ene adaje ehwe me